Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. Let's read a question which says that 2-point charges 4Q and Q are separated by 1 meter in air. At what point on the line joining the charges is the electrical field intensity 0? Also calculate the electrostatic potential energy of the system of charges taking the value of Q as 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Alright, so here we are having a line and there are two charges located at the edges of this line. So let's give the points as A and B. So let's say that 4Q is at the point A and Q is at point B. Now that both these charges are positive, therefore electrical field will be 0 somewhere in between A and B. So randomly, let's just take this point as P, which is at a distance of x from A, and it is going to be at a distance of 1 minus x from B. Okay. So now electric field at P due to 4Q is equal to electric field at P due to Q. So let me write down that E at P due to 4Q is equal to electric field at P due to Q. So the formula is equal to of electric field is equal to K Q by R square. Therefore, K into 4Q by x square is equal to K into Q by upon 1 minus x the whole square. Cancelling these k's and cancelling these q's, so 4 upon x square is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x the whole square. Solving, taking the under root of the LHS and the RHS, it is going to be equal to 2 upon x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x. So just cross multiplying, 2 minus 2x is equal to x. So 2 is equal to 3x. That means x is equal to 2 by 3 meter. That means the point P is at a distance of 2 upon 3 meters from 4Q and 1 minus 2 by 3 meters from Q. Now we have to find out the second part. So we have to find here the electrostatic potential energy of the system of charges. Okay, so this electrostatic potential energy of the system is given by U and the value is equal to K, Q1, Q2 upon R. So put the value of K, 9 into 10 raised to the power 9. The value of Q, which is equal to 4Q, that is Q1 is 4Q and this was Q, upon the distance was given to us as 1. Okay, so 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 4 into Q square. So 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 4, the value of Q was given to us as 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7. So let's solve it further. We are going to get our answer as 1.44 into 10 to the power of minus 3. And of course, we are finding out energy. So the unit is going to be equal to joule. So this is how we are supposed to do this one. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.